All right, everybody, here we go. Another unboxing video. Um, this is my second one. Working my way up the ladder. I need to get, 1,000 subscriptions. Anyways, I got a bunch more stuff for my HMMWV project. It's going to have to be a few different videos because I have so much stuff. There's a bunch more in the garage. I got a bunch more coming this week. Oh, this is a heavy one. I just ordered a bunch, maybe 5 or 6 things yesterday, I think. Anyways, here we go. I'm pretty sure I know what this is because of the weight. Alright. How about that? Yep, that's what I thought it was. These are the 5-point seat belts to hold your butt in place while you're bouncing around off-road. These seem to be pretty good quality. I got them off of eBay. Yeah, I got them off eBay. 3-inch wide straps. But the reason why I chose these, it was literally the selling point, was the padded shoulders. So that would be over here on the right side. These things normally don't have padded shoulders for some reason. And if you're bouncing around and whatever, I mean, I don't understand why they don't all have padded shoulders, to be honest. But this is nice and soft. I think, yeah, they didn't really have a big color selection. I just went with the silver. Get a little something there so it would stand out from my black seats that I have. But yeah, no need to take all this apart right now. But it seems to be good quality. I mean, they're 3-inch straps. I know they had an option of 2, but I never bought anything like this before, so I figured I'd just go for the heavier ones that were 3. Yeah, that might be a little overkill. Maybe 2 might be a little better. I don't know. Maybe it won't matter at all. Maybe it won't matter at all. But they do seem to be high quality. I mean, nylon straps, I mean, those things are just so strong anyways. So strength is never going to be an issue. The only thing that'll be interesting is because I did want to get something where you could get in and out pretty easy. Because I didn't want to have something that was cumbersome. And how it looked in the pictures, it looked like there was just like one thing like this where it hooks over. And it looked like you could just pull that one thing aside and it would release all 5 buckles. That's what it looked like in the picture, and that's how I'm hoping it works. So that will be something for another time. Give a review on it or whatever. Okay, so that's underneath. So maybe all that buckles in, and when you want to release it, and maybe that's probably what this is for. You just pull that, and when all that's buckled, it releases it. So like I said, that's what it seemed like, and I wanted something that was just a quick release, so that's probably how that's going to work. Alright. Let's see here. These are the adapters for the headlights, because I got a set of headlights. So everything on that Humvee is designed to be able to go underwater, because like mine, it has the extended snorkel and then the extended exhaust. It actually goes above the cab, so you can ford 5 feet of water. Yeah, 5 feet of water is a lot, and now it is something where when it's saying 5 feet of water that it can ford through, we're talking like a river that has a hard bottom to it, to where the tires can actually get grip. Because if you got 5 feet of water and then 2 feet of mud, you're probably screwed. But yeah, so my Humvee my Humvee can go through 5 feet of water, and so that's why they have all these connectors like this to keep everything watertight. That's for the headlights, the adapters for the headlights. Oh, yeah, all right. This here is something, it costs a lot of damn money. But, okay, so what this is, it's a digital guard dog. It's a keyless security. So with this bad boy, it's just like the newer vehicles. And this is all designed already to just go right into place on the Humvee. So you don't have to look at an elaborate diagram and figure it out and blah blah blah. This thing is just ready to go. And what this is just a little key fob. It's one of the RFID, and you just leave that in your pocket. And when you walk up to the vehicle, it senses that, and it automatically unlocks the ignition. So it's basically a starter kill, like a full alarm system, but not a full alarm system. Because on the Humvees, how they come from the factory for the military anyways, they have like just a lever, and it's to the left it's off, and then the middle it's run, and then to the right it's start. So how some cars are nowadays, you'll just have the key fob in your pocket, you walk up to the car, and you don't even have a key anymore. You just press the start button. So this is basically that, but a lever version of just a start button. And I wanted to keep the original look instead of getting a keyed, because you could, like, people sell on eBay and whatever, like $70 or $80 for, a key to do the same thing as the lever. But those keys are just like little stupid, cheap looking keys, and I don't know, it just looks kind of silly, so I wanted to keep it original. So that's why I got that. Oh, this is just a little, all right. Yeah, this right here, this is just a little something. It's from Home Depot. It's just an LED light that's supposed to swivel and then just extra plug-ins. So it has the cord. Okay, and that just swivels around like that. Oh, does that just keep going around endlessly? Okay. Oh, it has little feet back here that keep that upright. So I figured this would be good out in the mountains, at night. Oh, it has the to charge your phone or whatever, to plug in there, the USBs. Yeah, so I figured this, because